let me just show you what it's like to have a website that changes when you just talk to it. I've got this beautiful article here on pirateskills.com on AI for Muggles. And I have this magic button here. And wouldn't it be cool if there would be like a little Easter egg that we could place here where you like have to tap 3 tiles in a certain order and then you reveal like a secret store, yeah, on this website. That would normally take a lot of planning and everything, but you can now just talk to the AI. You can use a voice-to-text feature like this one here. Let me just demonstrate. Hey, I would like to have this or that change on my website. And it would immediately transcode that from your voice to text, but I have something prepared for us today. Yeah, I'm essentially just saying, hey, I want to have this little Easter egg feature below this button, and I want you to build out a Wizarding One store, and I need you to create images for 6 products, and then tell me that you're done. And we will be able to see this created live in front of our eyes. So let's wait and see. And here we already are. It's done with the first part. It has created those magic tiles. They are for real now on my website. Now you have to click them in the right order in order to get access to the secret one store. Yeah, so if I click here, meh, that's not the one. Here, If I click on this one, that is the first right one, but I need to hit 3 the right way. That wasn't it either. This and then the middle. All right. The wand chooses the builder. Now, once you have this fun interaction, it redirects you to the new Salty Wand page, but it's not ready yet. So it's currently, as you can see on the left, creating these incredible product images in the style that I love, yeah, which is this low poly style. And it knows that because I've been creating low poly images throughout this website already for quite a while. And then it's going to take these, build the website, and replace this 404 page with hopefully a wonderful Wizarding store. Let's see what happens. Now it's done with generating the images, so the store is what is next. And I can twiddle my thumbs a little bit, go make a coffee, and come back when it's done. Yeah? Or I'll just chill here with you, making funny movements. All right, now it's already done, giving me a last summary. And here is the Salty One store with AI-generated images in our brand style, all in our existing layout with our navigation, our footer. And this is how fast it goes. And if I had anything to complain about this, which I don't because it's obviously the perfect Salty One store, I could just talk to it and have any changes done. You will not go back to WordPress after you have had this experience. Enjoy the full walkthrough of this in 5 steps, yeah, on the AI for Muggles article. See you there. Bye-bye.